when I was a kid.
Well, he did this really good. Good job over here, Brian. You did a good job here. He just used some redwood. And see, initially he had a 2x6 where you could use a 2x8. He had a little piece on here, but see how this angle looks? It looks like a big fat piece, and he's got the 10-degree angle here. He's notched it out because remember the window's going to stop right there, and then the trim's going to come down. He did really good. There's a box here. It's a telephone box. I don't know why they got it so close to the trim, but they did. And this piece comes to here. That looks all nice. And see, it's hanging out a little bit because you want to create a drip edge right there. So when the water, because see the window's going to be back in here, right? The window's probably going to be flush with that. You want the water to hit here and run down, and when it hits this edge, you want a little drip edge. Okay, because what happens is the water has a tendency to roll over this edge just a bit before it drips off it. So you don't want to make this too close to the stucco. You get it too close and it's going to run right into the crack. I mean, obviously we still got to caulk this down. And he ran some sheetrock screws underneath here for shims, and then he used some screws and drove them in there. I think he did a really good job with that. That's how your window's going to be set up on the exterior side before they install this window. Good job. That's a good point Brian said, was he used 3-inch screws, and because this is going up at an angle, there's a big gap from here down to the existing. Because this is redwood, you can drive these screws right into the redwood and get it snug as a bug in a rug.